These are advanced price patterns that follows a specific shape based on Fibonacci numbers. Traders can then use these specific shapes to predict future price movements. For example, a bullish bat pattern is formed when price makes a series of 4 movements that is shaped like the letter M. Each point can be labeled as X, A, B, C, and D, and each of these points has a specific guideline. For example, point X to point B needs to have a value between 0.382 and 0.5. Point A to C needs to have a value between 0.382 and 0.886. And the same thing works for the other points. Next, these specific guidelines can then be applied onto a real chart. So, if you see a price forming a series of 4 movements, you can apply the harmonic pattern tool to check if the price that formed matches a pattern's guideline. If it does, then you can take a position based on the pattern that formed. There are multiple harmonic patterns that exist. Most notable are butterfly, bat, crab, and each have their own